Hey guys, today I'm doing a video of this late 1940s to early 50s Hawkins branded 12-inch oscillating table fan. Bought this fan on an online auction site for, I think it was like $25 because I've always thought these look pretty neat, and I've seen two other examples like this, so they're not very common fans. This one's in fairly rough condition. You can tell by the bubbling paint on the blade tips there. A lot of rust on the edges there. The cage is really chipped up and there's a lot of rust all over it. But I bought it thinking I'd probably end up restoring it in the future anyway. I just thought I'd get it straightened out and running first before I did anything like that. It does run fine, and to my knowledge, I believe these were manufactured in England from about 1948 to about 1956 or 57, at least according to what I've heard from people more knowledgeable on these than myself. And it's a 230 volt 50 hertz fan. I love the 6 flower petal style blades. Turn it to the side here. It's a really unique design. The back. Try and get the tag in there. Turn back to the front here, and it can be wall mounted, which is pretty neat. You just loosen this knob here, and you can just kind of slide the fan down like that, make it wall mountable. But yeah, we'll start it up here. No switch, so I just have to turn it on from the plug. It's a little wobbly, but I still need to straighten it out a little more. Turn on the oscillator. It's got a very slow sweep on the oscillator. Turn that off. And I'll shut it down here. Alright, thanks for watching.